बचपन से?
हाँ, बचपन से I knew I wanted to become an actress. I remember मैं 3 साल की थी तो I used to dance to Madhuri Dixit 1 2 3 in front of the mirror. I used to recite dialogues from कभी खुशी कभी गम, कुछ कुछ होता है.
And what about you, Suraj?
Not बचपन से, पर definitely wanted to be an actor some time, but wasn't that filmy. But big fan of Jackie sir, and I like his style, his ada and his tashan I love.
Super.
मतलब बोले तो बेटो एकदम मतलब फाड़ू.
I saw him crying. Such a touching moment. हम लोग सोचे थे, oh my God, ये क्या नहीं, can I just go give you a hug? और and Salman Khan was also very.
Were you there?
Yeah, no, I wasn't there, but I was just saying, I saw the interview, and मतलब दिल से there was this boss Salman sir. You know, there was these few words.
There was only love for him, you know. There's so much he's done for me, and he stood by me, and it was just pure love, and I couldn't hold back my tears. आंसू नहीं रोक पाया था.
On the sets, the first day, ठीक है, कितना मुश्किल रहा कैमरा के सामने?
Oh my God, I don't think मुश्किल रहा कैमरा के सामने, but my parents were there. My mom was giving the clap, and my dad said action.
But दोनों की आंखें, I think that's the most important thing जो prominent है मेरे लिए. बहुत दर्द है यार.
You're saying this, you know, because my mom always says, Suraj, acting करो तो सिर्फ आंख से करना.
But it's all thanks to Nikhil sir.
Yeah, he's really helped us. He's been an amazing teacher. Yeah.
So out of course, you know, parents are in the movies, or Aditya Pancholi is Sunil Shetty is the Anna of Bollywood.
Yes.
So काफी सारा already there's baggage.
Yeah, I think हमें एक platform दी जाती है, लेकिन इसका मतलब नहीं कि हम लोग advantage ले इसका. We have to work very hard, equally hard, even more hard.
It's only you. You might get a platform, but platform पे it's up to you to show your performance, not your parents.
Till I don't know how many years now. क्या आपकी favorite picture कौन सी थी और?
I remember watching Border once. There's a scene where he dies, and I started crying like I went mental. I was crying and screaming, "Papa, चाहिए!" and all of that. And suddenly I see him walk through the door, and I'm like, "Wait, 1 minute, what? Like, what is happening?" So I used to get really confused as a child. So I used to just watch all his comedies.
Yeah. Which is your favorite film? Or were you thinking, "ये पापा ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया"?
I think he's been amazing in this film called Saathi, and one film called Aatish, which is my favorite. It is the film Baba Nawab wala. And with my mom, it's been one film which is my favorite. So Chit Chor, which she done with Amol Palekar.
जब भी outdoor locations होते हैं काफी सारी मस्ती होती है, साथ में थोड़ा सा homesick feeling भी होती है. तो how exactly was it for you guys? Homesick feeling थी?
नहीं,
बहुत मस्ती थी.
बहुत मस्ती थी. I think Romania में बहुत मस्ती.
रोमानिया में मस्ती थी, मनाली में ताकत नहीं बचती थी.
Yeah.
Because we used to shoot at one location from 6 in the morning
to like 9 at night, and maybe 3 hours to drive
back to the hotel.
My source of entertainment in Manali was that वो time Baby Doll बहुत ही popular हो गया था.
That song
Baby Doll. So when we used to go back, we used to play the song obviously, and Suraj used to do a dance for us.
The songs are the film and your the disco song.
Our song is out right now. It's
Right now, it's like right now.
मैं तेरा hero?
No, it's called Yada Teriya.
Oh.
And it's done by Rahat sir.
Okay.
And the song has been gifted to us by Karan Johar sir. And then we have
That has become a sensation. एक बार मैं बता दूँ आपको फिर से. Also because of course Salman Khan has sung the song, लेकिन it has a great vibe to it.
सूरज जब छोटा था, उनके रूम में एक zoo था. तो bathtub में reptiles.
No, not reptile, turtles.
Turtles. He used to skip school because he used to see a cat on the road. Suraj loves chicks.
Fun fact about Suraj Pancholi.
He's
तो शायद आप कभी नहीं सुनेंगे.
हाय, मैं हूँ अथिया शेट्टी और आप सुन रहे हैं रेडियो मिर्ची 98.3 It's Hot.
हाय, मैं हूँ सूरज पंचोली और आप सुन रहे हैं रेडियो मिर्ची It's Hot.